If you're using a Sony camera and want more control over your shots, this wireless remote could be exactly what you need. It allows you to capture photos and videos without physically touching your camera, which is perfect for reducing shake and improving overall image quality. This remote comes with a built-in OLED screen, so you can easily view settings and control your shooting with precision. Unlike traditional remotes, it is rechargeable, saving you from constantly replacing batteries. It supports a wide range of Sony cameras, including the ZV-1, ZV-E10, A6400, A7 series, and RX100 models, making it a versatile tool for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're a vlogger, photographer, or content creator, this remote makes your workflow smoother and more efficient. From shooting solo videos to capturing long exposure shots or group photos, this device gives you the flexibility to shoot from a distance with ease. If you're serious about improving your content, adding a wireless remote like this to your setup is definitely worth considering.